Lark Player is still the king of offline music in 2026. Whether you have a massive library on your SD card or you're moving files from your PC, here is the fastest way to get your music playing. Step 1. Downloading. Lark Player doesn't download music directly from the web. It plays files already on your phone. Use your browser to save your MP3s or FLAC files into your Downloads folder. Once your files are saved, open Lark. Go to the Music tab and tap Scan. The app's AI will automatically find every audio file on your device, organize them by artist, and even fetch the missing album art. Pro tip: if your music is in the cloud, you can link your drive directly. Lark Player will stream these files or allow you to add to offline, so you can listen without using a single byte of data. Now you can enjoy high-quality audio with synced lyrics and a custom equalizer. It's the ultimate all-in-one player. Check the link for the latest update and subscribe for more app tutorials.